Good afternoon, everybody. I'm on my way to the beach for my daily walk, and I thought I'd show you the parking lot. Now, come along, I'll show you what's going on. See what it looks like with nobody here. As you can see, the city's got them blocked off pretty good. And when you look in there, not one single car. The city's been bringing in sand and dirt and stone and all kinds of stuff, and they picked up all those little car parking barrier things and regraded it, filled it with dirt. So I guess the water will run more down this way, and when you get in and out of your car, you won't be standing in puddles. Men's and ladies' rooms, the showers, the outside showers, the playgrounds back there, and not a soul. Let me show you what it looks like from up top. Alrighty, we have made it to the beach, and there's two pontoon boats right there. I don't know if we can see it or not. If you see that pontoon boat right there, is passing in front of what might be a shrimp boat, a clamming boat. I don't know what's out there. It's some type of dragger. It's got the big long arms sticking out the side. They may be netting, they may be fish, they may be shrimp, they may be dragging the bottom, I don't know. As you can see, it's beautiful. The Gulf is looking beautiful today compared to the roughness that we've had over the last week. That beautiful blue-green is back. Tide's coming in. If we look, we're looking east. I see 1, 2, 3 people. That's Blind Pass condos you see right there. So that's people out of the condos. If we look west, it's coming around west. There's that other pontoon boat. There's one guy, maybe a guy and a wife down there under that blue umbrella, and that is it. So it's a beautiful day to be out here. The water's still stirred up a little bit because it's been so rough for the last week. So if there's anything swimming by, unless it gets really, really closer right at the surface, I'm not going to see it. And of course, wait a minute. Whoa. There's something of interest right there. Ooh. A paper fig. Nice. I'll take that. Thank you very much. Let's see what else we can find. Both halves. Alright, so my walk started out good. Found a paper fig. Let's see if we can maybe spot a Junonia. Yay! Alright. It's nice having the beach all to myself, but look, somebody's been here. There's footprints. At times I do, I'm a healthy red-blooded American male, so at times I do miss all the bikinis out here. But at my age, I could chase them, but if I caught them, I'm not exactly sure what I would do with them. Should have brought my bathing suit. I think I read the temperature of the Gulf was 84 this morning. And the odd thing is I can always tell the temperature of the Gulf. All I have to do is go out and look at my pool. If my pool says 83, the Gulf is a degree warmer almost every single time. Look how deep this is, this area. Wow. A lot of water in there, and it's nasty. The other day I saw little kids in there playing in there. I wouldn't let my kids play in that. Now your job is to figure out why. So here's the beach. There's more beach, and there's the Gulf over there. And your job is to figure out how they form. You know how that forms? Well, look it up. I'm not going to tell you everything. And do I know? Yeah, I know. I've seen it happen. I've sat there and watched it form over the course of a week or so. And we get a good storm, it'll fill it back in again. The weatherman said we're supposed to have showers today. Let me know if you see anything that looks like a rain cloud, because I sure as the devil don't. It rained hard off island yesterday. I mean, there were puddles. It poured. We drove through it for at least a half hour. And I come out on the island, everything's dry out here. Everything's dry. And then we got, I know the west end, we got maybe 5 minutes of rain, maybe 10 yesterday, and that was it. And I still had the water, because it just was nowhere near enough. Already, I hope you, wait a minute. Oh, I can see already it's broken. There's another paper fig right there, but it's broken. Alrighty. I hope you enjoyed today's walk on the beach. Sorry you can't be out here. Some of you can, I'm sure. So, thanks for hanging out with me. And like I tell you all the time, leave a message. Gives me something to do. Let me know that I'm not out here talking to myself, because pretty much I am out here talking to myself. Or talking to you. But anyhow, leave a message. If you haven't, please subscribe. I'm going to be doing Sanibel videos for a while yet, because they're still not letting us go out and roam. And I do have a lot of spots we visited in the motorhome. Still got a lot of videos, so I'm going to put one of them up every other day, every couple days, for all my RV friends. And for my Sanibel friends, I'm going to try to get one up every other day at least. So, thanks for hanging out. And I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.